Now, I'm not an expert in this. I've certainly participated in a 1031 on the personal side.
I mean, with the business, you guys don't have like the 1031 that you would get if you had like a real estate transaction or something like that too, right? You can't use 1031, correct?
Correct. Now, I'm not an expert in this. I've certainly participated in a 1031 on the personal side. But and this is your wheelhouse. It seems like there's a 1035 for some business assets or something, but I could be leaving your listeners down a rabbit hole. That's my only experience with that, but not 1031's only been in the personal residence space in my experience.
Yeah, definitely. So, I mean, I'm pretty confident you can't sell a business with a 1031. I'm very confident. And that's going to be one of the biggest frustrations with it. But I will give you a little nugget that you have. So, are you currently buying and selling other insurance companies now, or are you kind of out of that space altogether?
It's not our primary function anymore. We're focused on our technology offerings, but they present themselves, several times a year. So.
Gotcha. Okay, so one of the things that we use is what's called a Deferred Sales Trust, which allows you to sell any asset. It could be a business, could be stock, could be real estate, could be primary home, could be Bitcoin, whatever, and defer all the tax, and then you're able to invest it in whatever assets you want. It's like kind of agnostic, unlike a 1031, where you basically have to sell real estate and go back into real estate, or sell real estate and go into like oil and gas, like mining or whatever, right? And then you got like a long, you don't have a long time to find an asset with a 1031. You got 45 days to identify, 180 days to close. With this, you have your time horizon is whenever you want. You control the timing. So it's a very unique strategy that allows you to sell a business, defer the tax, invest the funds in whatever you want. And when time comes, if you want to go back into real estate, you can, or if you want to go back and start up a new business, you can, or whatever. So we had a gentleman who sold a business for $2.6 million. He deferred $700,000 in capital gains tax, and he put a good portion of that into a development deal where he's building multifamily units in Tennessee. I think it's like 72. So you're able to do those kind of things on your timing. So it's a very powerful strategy for exiting any sort of highly appreciated assets. So for your clients in the future, you have something like, hey, go check this out, because this will definitely be a significant, strategy to help save millions and millions of dollars in taxes.